So hello and good evening to one and all. This side Pankaj and he is Yagya. So today we are going to conduct a debate. Topic is can human be the master over the animals or not? So I am giving chance to Yagya.
I think human can be master of animal because you can see there are lots of animals roaming in the streets. They are hurting the humans. So we are keeping them in the cage. And by this we are also providing them food time to time, and we are taking benefits of them also. We are taking milk by them.
But do you not think if we will capture them in the cage, so we will be snatching the freedom of the animals. So we have the national parks, so we can send them in the national parks.
I am agree with you that we can send them national parks or we are stealing their freedom. But you can see there are lots of bulls and cow are roaming. They are hurting the people. It is better than to harm the people to keep them in cage. And if any car or any bike hurt met an accident with cow, so cow can also have damages.
But humans are using animals for their personal use. They are exploiting them, so it is not a good thing. I think we can send them, as I said, national parks and many more places we can send. So it will be avoid the collide between between the animals and the people.
If we are giving something or taking something, so what is bad in that?
So it is not bad, but we are using those have own moral values, their rights, and we are just using them and exploit them. So do you not think about it will be loss our biodiversity.
Can you explain?
Yeah, biodiversity means number of animals are, as you know, extinct day by day. So it will be effect on the biodiversity.
How many animals are extincting?
Yeah, we are as in the past time, our government brought some kind of animals from the other countries. So it is also bad thing. We are bringing from another countries. We are losing our country animals.
What are the names of that animal?
Like I didn't remember, but in the include that is a, I think one name is panda and the second one is lep.
नाम भी है something.
Naam is very awkward. I am not able to recall them.
I agree with you that they are extincting. Sometimes they can have some damage because as we talk about dinosaurs, they extinct just because of volcano eruptions. There are so many animals that they are losing their life just because of this. So apart from this, what about the cows and animals? They are hurting. So we are taking them in a cage. So what is bad?
So as I said, we are snatching from them their freedom. So if we are capturing them in the cage, so it is too bad. We have own personal place, so we can send them, and it also impact on our environment if we are capturing them and we are hunting them on the other end. So it will be effect on our environment. Okay, just because of our environment is also polluting day by day because of these animals are decreasing.
How environment is polluting?
Because we are using for them in a personal use, and after use they are going in sick and they got some kind of disease, so they die early. That's why.
If they get any diseases, so we are there. We are curing them. If they are in any national park or in street, so who will be there to cure them? In national park there are so many animals. It is very difficult to check all in one shot.
There are a number of doctors. They are curing them. If we are using them in own benefit, so we are, as we can say, like we are hunting them just because of we are getting and exploiting them, and on the other hand we are not providing proper food and he has to provide.
Bro, they are not getting their proper food when they are roaming in the streets. If they are in the cottage or in their house, so we are providing them their food time to time and water, everything, bathing and sanitation, everything we are providing.
In our country, there are a number of people. They are just capture them for extract milk. After that, they get freedom to go another house, like where they will find the food from the another house. So it is good or bad?
am agree with you that there are so many people who are first taking benefit and then removing. We are also against this. We are also working on this. It will finish in upcoming years. You
When
don't
will it
worry
finish?
about this.
When
It
will
will
it-
finish. It's my promise. It will finish because if you take if animal is not giving any substance, anything, that milk or that any other thing, so it is very difficult to give him food or even he is not, it is not giving us anything, so they can buy more animals that will provide them food also.
It is okay though those animals are providing milks and that kind of stuffs by default, but about that things, but about that concerns, we are enforcing them and we are breeding them, forcing them. But about it, we are putting them injections and many more kind of capsules we are providing and we are enforcing for breeding.
You are speaking about animal testing.
Yeah, I can give you an example. Like you can take the example of cock or hen, and we are enforcing we are enforcing them for breeding, and we are putting them some kind of capsules and chemicals injections. So is it good or bad?
Yes, it is bad, but okay, I am agree with your point that we are breeding them. And what is the next point?
Yeah, my next point is those we are using them for the animal testing for research purpose. It is too bad. We have the alternative thing, so we can go for that.
If we don't test on animals, so will you allow us to test on humans?
No, we have a number of things alternatives. We can, like a computer simulator, we can test with the help of computer simulator. On the other hand, we are testing or we are applying innovations over the animals. So it is bad because those are animals, those are living things as we have lives. If we will be suffer from any disease and someone will be enforcing us, so what will we feel? We will feel definitely bad.
So I am saying you say that we can use humans to do testing, so we will not use animals.
So we have alternative. Why we are doing the same things?
Sometimes it is necessary to test on animals.
How can you say sometimes it is necessary?
To see that properly it is working or not. If we put this on a human, so it can
No,
human can
we have a number of alternatives. As I said, computer simulation and one more thing is vitro testing. We can apply the vitro testing on the human, so we can easily test the new whatever we want to apply.
But for this we want humans. But for this we also want humans. So if government allow us to test on humans, so why we will use animals?
So it's up to us. We have to raise our voice against the government because animals are also living things. Why we are doing this kind of things over the animals? We can apply over the men also, humans also.
So will you give your life for the testing?
Yeah, if you will ask, so number of people will agree, and we have lot of alternatives.
No one will agree. We are testing on animals because they have they can't speak, they can't fight. That's why.
Just because.
And you tell us there are so many wild pets. They are cutting us. They are biting us. So what about this? They bite our hands very badly. What about that? The street dogs.
So, so as you are talking about the stray dogs, so stray dogs are not. It is also we are providing them shelters. That's why they are increasing. So if we will not provide them shelter or food, so they will not increase. So we are all
so they
one
will
of
also
them.
distinct. They will distinct from.
No, it will not be distinct. I think if we will provide.
If we
will
don't
not provide them.
If we don't provide them food, so they will